Here's a GoPro Hero 8 Black. I'm going to show you how to raise or lower the beep volume or even how to mute it. Okay, so first thing is this. Okay, so with the GoPro on, if we just slide down here, we can see this little icon right here. We can go ahead and turn the beep volume off, or we can turn it back on. Let me turn it. And so right now it's on. Okay, the thing is, so everything that we do here, if I shoot a video, we can hear it. If I stop it, we can hear it. Now the thing is, if I go into preferences here, we can actually change the loudness too. We can raise it or decrease the noise as well. So if we just go to preferences and then just go to general from here. So tap on general, and then the first one on top is beep volume. So right now I have it on high, as you can see, but of course if you tap it, now you can put it low, medium, or you can put it to mute as well. Okay, I like to actually have mine on low, just like that. So now it's on low, and you can hear that's a little bit, it's not as high. And then also, now if I just wanted to go ahead and turn the sound off completely, I just go ahead and go right there and I tap it. Or if I want it on and it's going to be on low volume, I just tap it back on. So pretty simple to do.